Okay, for the webpack lectures on front-end masters, I'm going to try to demonstrate a Celery worker running a webpack. And so the goal of this is try to minimize outside configuration and try to get something running that uses the same skill sets as what we're going to see in Apache Superset. And that includes both webpack and Celery. So this is the webpack config.js from the second module from webpack plugins. And so what he did was Sean made a webpack plugin. And what we're going to do is we're going to run webpack, and the output that's displayed on a terminal can be displayed in a running Celery task. So the reference I used for Celery is this YouTube video, Asynchronous Tasks in Python by this guy Pretty Printed, and the URL is here. And so we're going to modify this task. Instead of running a reverse of a string, we're just going to run the command webpack. And to install Celery, I used a Docker container, and so I created a virtual environment first, then install Celery, and then also run this rabbitmq Docker container, and then import the function run webpack. And then we're going to run webpack. And we'll get the output of the build or webpack in from a Celery task. And then we're going to build on this in the next coming weeks to make it into a service.